Circuit breakers are essential safety devices that protect your home's electrical system by cutting off power when there's an issue. A breaker trip is usually a sign that something's wrong, and understanding the common causes can help you prevent potential hazards like electrical fires or damage to your appliances. In this article, we'll explore the most frequent reasons why breakers trip and provide practical tips on how to fix the issue safely. Overloaded circuits. Cause: the most common reason for a breaker to trip is circuit overload. This happens when too many devices or appliances draw more electricity than the circuit can handle. For example, plugging several high-power devices like air conditioners, heaters, or kitchen appliances into one circuit can overload it, causing the breaker to trip. Solution: to fix an overloaded circuit, redistribute the devices across multiple circuits or unplug some of the appliances. If the circuit still can't handle the load, consider upgrading your electrical system to meet your needs by consulting a licensed electrician. Short circuits. Cause: a short circuit occurs when a hot, live wire comes into contact with a neutral wire, causing an immediate surge of electricity. This can be due to faulty wiring, damaged insulation, or loose connections, and it usually results in the breaker tripping to prevent further damage. Solution: short circuits are more serious and can be difficult to locate. Look for signs of damage such as burnt smells, scorched outlets, or visible damage to wiring. If you suspect a short circuit, it's important to turn off the power and contact a licensed electrician to safely repair the wiring. Ground faults. Cause: a ground fault happens when the hot wire touches a grounded part of an appliance or the electrical system, like the metal casing of a device. This results in excess current flowing, which causes the breaker to trip. Ground faults are especially dangerous in wet areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor spaces. Solution: installing ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, in areas where ground faults are more likely can prevent this issue. If the breaker trips due to a ground fault, avoid using the affected appliance or outlet until a professional has inspected and repaired the problem. Arc faults. Cause: arc faults occur when electricity jumps between faulty, frayed, or broken wires. This sparking causes intense heat, which can ignite nearby materials, leading to electrical fires. Arc faults often go undetected without the proper safety measures in place. Solution: modern homes are equipped with arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, that can detect and shut off arc faults before they cause damage. If your breaker trips due to an arc fault, contact an electrician to assess and fix the faulty wiring. Consider upgrading your system with AFCIs for enhanced protection. Faulty appliances. Cause: sometimes, the issue lies with a specific appliance rather than the electrical system. Old, damaged, or malfunctioning appliances can draw excess current, causing the breaker to trip. Common culprits include old refrigerators, space heaters, or air conditioners. Solution: unplug the faulty appliance and reset the breaker. If the breaker doesn't trip again, it's likely the appliance that caused the issue. Either repair or replace the faulty device before using it again. Circuit breaker age or damage. Cause: over time, circuit breakers can wear out or become damaged, especially in older homes. A faulty breaker may trip even when there's no significant load or issue on the circuit. Solution: if you've ruled out other causes, the breaker itself may be faulty. Have a licensed electrician inspect the breaker box and replace any old or damaged breakers to ensure your system is functioning properly. High inrush currents. Cause: some appliances, such as refrigerators, air conditioners, or motors, have a high inrush current when they first start up, which can momentarily overload the circuit and cause the breaker to trip. Solution: if the breaker only trips when the appliance first starts, consider adding a dedicated circuit for high-demand appliances or upgrading your electrical system to accommodate the inrush current. Preventing future breaker trips. To reduce the risk of future breaker trips, follow these preventive measures. Avoid circuit overloads. Be mindful of how many appliances and devices are plugged into each circuit. Spread them across multiple circuits to avoid overloading. Inspect wiring regularly. Check your home's wiring for signs of damage, wear, or fraying. Address any issues as soon as they're detected. Use GFCI and AFCI protection. Install GFCI outlets in wet areas and AFCI breakers to protect against ground faults and arc faults. Upgrade your electrical system. If your home frequently experiences breaker trips or if it's an older home, consider upgrading the electrical panel to handle modern electricity demands. Conclusion: breakers trip as a safety mechanism, and understanding the reasons behind it can help you address the problem efficiently and safely. Whether it's due to an overloaded circuit, a short circuit, or an appliance malfunction, proper maintenance and preventive measures can reduce the likelihood of frequent breaker trips. When in doubt, it's always best to consult a licensed electrician to ensure your home's electrical system is safe and functioning properly.